Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete previous pin on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Samsung phone settings. Scroll down, locate and click on lock screen and AOD. Then, locate and click on secure lock settings. Type in your PIN or password and then click on done or continue. Now scroll down the secure lock settings. Locate and delete previous PIN. Your previous PIN is set for 32 hours, so you can use it if you forgot your new screen lock. Delete it for added security. So tap delete, then tap delete from the pop to delete your previous PIN. And that's it. So that's exactly how to delete previous PIN on Samsung. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.